Hello friends, how are you? Good morning. Let's do one activity. You will see some pictures on the screen with sentences. Now children, look at the pictures carefully. 1. Ramesh is dancing. Sita is dancing. Ramesh and Sita are dancing. Number 2. Mahek is eating. Kunj is eating. Now listen carefully. I am joining two sentences. Mahek is eating and Kunj is eating too. Now listen the use of and to in this sentence. Sentence number 3. Amit is playing football. Vijay is playing football. Amit is playing football and Vijay is also playing football. Now friends, in the sentences I just say, you have noticed the use of to and also. Now listen to the sentences and notice the use of but. Sentence number 1. Kanan is playing in the garden. Pratik is playing on the ground. Now let's listen the whole sentence. Kanan is playing in the garden, but Pratik is playing on the ground. Notice but. It joins two sentences. I hope you all understand how to join sentences using but. Friends, did you enjoy the activity? Now, let's do one more interesting activity like this. Look at the page number 27 in your textbook. Activity number 5. Students, let's read the instruction of activity number 5. બેબેની જોડીમાં કામ કરો, ટીનાનો પત્ર ફરીથી વાંચો અને નીચે આપેલા 3 કોલમમાં મુદ્દા નોંધો. Friends, look at Tina's letter on the screen.
Tina lives in a town called Halol. It is surrounded by small villages and it is not far from Vadodara. Last month, Tina visited a village fair near Halol. After a few days, she visited a trade fair in Vadodara. She wrote a letter to her friend Meena, who lives in Bhuj. Halol, 25 July 2014. Dear Meena, thank you for your letter of 15 July. I was happy to read about your visit to Dholavira. I visited 2 different fairs last month, and I want to tell you about them. First, I visited a village fair between Halol and Pavagad. We went there in an auto rickshaw. There were 2 small temples outside a small village. I went there with my parents. We reached there in the evening. The open ground between the 2 temples was full of people. There were many shops, toy shops, sweet shops, and a colorful bazaar of household items. Some children were standing in front of a toy shop. They were looking at a small plane. The shopkeeper was showing them the plane. The children laughed with joy and clapped loudly. We also saw a merry-go-round and a giant wheel. The merry-go-round was quite small, but the giant wheel was really huge. The place was full of noise. There were many loudspeakers playing film songs. There were many children in the giant wheel. They were shouting in excitement. We saw a juggler too. He was playing with 5 balls and was keeping all of them in the air. It was wonderful. After some days, we visited a trade fair in Vadodara. It was a school trip. We went there on a Sunday. We went by a bus. There was no entry fee. The whole ground was full of large stalls. There were many stalls of electronic goods like TV, VCR, and music systems. The girls on the counters were well dressed. They were answering the questions of visitors with a smile. There was another row of stalls for things like fridge and washing machines. One salesman was demonstrating the use of mixer grinder. Two young women were asking him some questions. We went round and saw everything. At the other end of the fair, there were some fast food stalls. My friends ordered pizza and I ordered a glass of lassi. We sat down for a while and savored the food. There were a couple of sweet shops, but we did not buy any sweets. We came back in the evening. Okay, I will stop now. Convey my regards to your parents. Yours sincerely, Tina.
Now friends, look at the page number 27. You can see a table with 3 columns. Look at column number 1. આ કોલમમાં તમારે માત્ર વિલેજ ફેરની વિગતો જ નોંધવાની છે. મિત્રો, તમે મુદ્દા પરથી વાર્તાઓ તો બનાવો છો ને? અહીં આપણે પત્ર પરથી મુદ્દા નોંધવાના છે. તમારે તમારી પુસ્તકમાં નોંધવાના નથી, તમારે નોટબુકમાં નોંધવાના છે. નંબર 1. A village fair between Halol and Pavagadh. Now you can see the underlined words on the screen. Now please write down in your notebook. Next, went there in an auto rickshaw. Okay, next, full of people. મિત્રો વિલેજ ફેર હોય એટલે લોકો તો હોય જ અને ઘણા બધા લોકો હોય. Full of people. Next, the shopkeeper showing the plane to the children and the children enjoying. And write down the sentence. Next, a merry-go-round and a giant wheel. Write down fast. Next, the place full of noise. Many children in the giant wheel and shouting in excitement. Next, the juggler was playing with 5 balls and keeping all of them in the air. Juggler એટલે એક કરામત દર્શાવતો માણસ, જાદુગર. Great. Friends, I hope you are enjoying this activity. Now friends, look at the screen again. Look at the table. Column number 2. જેમ પહેલી કોલમમાં તમે ટીનાએ વિલેજ ફેરની મુલાકાત લીધી તેની વિગતો નોંધી, એ જ પ્રમાણે આ કોલમમાં ટીનાએ જે ટ્રેડ ફેરની મુલાકાત લીધી છે તેની વિગતો નોંધીશું. A trade fair in વડોદરા. આ તમે નોંધી લ્યો. Next, a school trip. Three, no entry fee. ચલો ઝડપથી લખી લો બાળકો. Next, full of large stalls. Next, well-dressed girls on the counters. Next, the girls answering the visitors with a smile. Next, some fast food stalls. Write down. Next, pizza and a glass of lassi. They enjoyed this. Next, savored the food. Friends, now look at the third column on page number 27. આ કોલમમાં તમારે બંને મેળાને લાગુ પડતી વિગતો લખવાની છે. એટલે તમે એવી વિગતો લખશો કે જે બંને મેળામાં સમાન છે. વિલેજ ફેર અને ટ્રેડ ફેર. હું તમને થોડો સમય આપીશ. In the village fair, there were shops, and in the trade fair, there were stalls. Fine. So, number 1, shops and stalls. Please write down. બીજી કઈ વિગતો તમે શોધી જે સમાન હોય બંને મેળામાં? ગ્રેટ. ઓપન ગ્રાઉન્ડ. બંને મેળા ઓપન ગ્રાઉન્ડ પર છે. So please write down open ground. Now the third one, sweet shops. Please write down. Lots of people. મેળા હોય એટલે લોકો તો હોય જ અને ઘણા બધા લોકો હોય. Write down. તો મિત્રો, આ થઈ એવી વિગતો કે જે બંને મેળામાં સમાન છે. Friends, this is the end of our activity. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Thank you very much. Bye bye.